beautiful. Okay. More than out here today, folks. Luckily I got some leather shoes because I just sunk right into that. Okay, I smell like a swamp now. It wasn't a good idea. I think so. What do you think, Willow? What do you think? This guy wanted to work with me. Just hanging out on my shoulder as I build this fence. Mixed concrete. Stuff right there. Hey guys, thanks for following along so far, or if you just joined, please come check out some of my other videos. I like to make truck camping videos, dog videos. Where is that little dog? There he is. We do driving around, we do walking, we go to the river, build stuff, repair things, work on the truck, resilience, truck living, truck camping, outdoorsy content. We do all sorts of stuff like that. So if you're interested in that kind of thing and building resilience and sustainability, and you want to learn from someone who largely had to teach himself a lot of things and who also relies on YouTube videos and a few of my friends and different things over the years to learn resilience and sustainability. Like just today my battery died in town and I was able to fix it and get back here. Okay, and I'm making an episode about that. Yeah, so if you like that, please subscribe, please like, share it with your friends, and follow along and comment. And I mean these things. I know everyone says this, but as someone just starting their channel out, it would really help me.